How to block people from seeing your Instagram story. So all you have to do is to of course set a story here on your Instagram, tap on Instagram application here and swipe left to right. Now here you will see your camera section here, and what you want to do is to of course create a story. So let's create a story first. Let's say this story here. The next thing that you want to do is to actually choose or block the people from seeing your Instagram story, right? Now to do that is to actually go here to your story options here and go to close friends directly. Now here on your close friend, you are able to actually choose the friends that who can only see your post here. So basically to people that you do not want to see, for example, you do not want your family to see your Instagram story, then you cannot include them to your close friends so that all your friends on Instagram story will actually see it except for these specific people. And basically that is how you block people from seeing your Instagram story. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.